Hi, today we're going to talk about the word need. Need is an action word or a verb. Need is whenever it's something that we require, it's essential or very important. Now let's find it on our different AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic, I'm going to go to Actions, Need. On Lamp Words for Life Full, I'm going to go to the umbrella, Need. On Snap Core First, need is a green word.
Need.
Alright, now let's practice using our word need in different sentences for different communication functions. For instance, if I want to give an opinion, I could say, he needs a haircut. I could direct an action and say, you need to say please. I could use the word need to request permission. I could say, I need to go to the bathroom, please. I could express my feelings. I could say, I'm cold. I need a coat. I could relay past and future events by saying, if it's going to rain outside, I'm going to need an umbrella. We could use need to request an action.
Mommy, I need to get a hug before bedtime.
I could use the word need to tease. I could say, I know something.
What?
You don't need to know.